Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ceiling height and mattress dimensions before buying a net. Measure ceiling height to 7 feet and net drop to mattress top. Choose a net slightly larger than the mattress perimeter for full coverage. Allow 6 inches clearance from the net edge to mattress for tucking under sheets. Mark anchor points on the ceiling or canopy frame using a pencil and measuring tape. Use 1 central hook for round nets or 4 corner hooks for rectangular nets for stable support. Each night, tuck the net edges under the mattress to seal gaps. Check for rips and holes before bed and mend tiny tears immediately. Air the net weekly for 1 hour to prevent moisture buildup and mildew formation. Avoid insecticides inside the net. Use treated nets if chemical protection is needed. Machine wash on gentle with mild detergent and cold water once every 3 months. Dry the net completely before rehanging to avoid mold and fabric weakening. When not in use, fold the net loosely and store in a breathable bag. Keep the bag in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and rodents. Repair holes promptly with 1/4 to 1/2 inch patches sewn using polyester thread. Inspect seams and tie points every 6 months and reinforce weak spots with extra stitching. Replace nets every 3 years or when fabric weakens noticeably and holes cannot be reliably repaired. Label storage bags with purchase date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.